हेलो बच्चों, आज की क्लास में मैं आपको सल्फर, इसके एलोट्रॉप्स, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, इट्स प्रिपरेशन, प्रॉपर्टी, स्ट्रक्चर, टेस्ट एंड सम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। सो प्लीज़ लिसन दिस लेक्चर वेरी केयरफुली। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं एलोट्रॉप ऑफ द सल्फर। सो व्हाट इज एलोट्रॉप? When element exists more than one form whose physical properties is different but chemical property is the same, they are isomer of each other. This phenomena is known as isomerism. Your sulfur show four type of the allotropes. Number one, rhombic sulfur. This is also known as alpha sulfur. नंबर 2, मोनोक्लिनिक सल्फर और बीटा सल्फर। और आपको बता दूं, दो इसके और एलोट्रॉप्स होते हैं, प्लास्टिक एंड द लिक्विड, बट दीज टू आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अब यहाँ देख लीजिए, rhombic sulfur is also known by the alpha sulfur or yellow sulfur, alpha sulfur or yellow sulfur. See here the some property of the rhombic sulfur. इसका जो कलर होता है येलो होता है, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट 385.8 केल्विन होता है, इसकी जो स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी होती है 2.06 होती है, एंड फॉर्म्ड on evaporating the solution of the rolled sulfur in carbon disulfide. ठीक है ना? Insoluble in the water. This is insoluble in the water but readily soluble in the carbon disulfide. Carbon disulfide का फार्मूला CH2 होता है। यह नॉन पोलर सॉल्वेंट है। ठीक है ना? And color of this sulfur is see here this. And now here the see, how will you convert to the monoclinic to the rhombic and the vice versa? So above this temperature we can change one form of the sulfur to another form and the vice versa. Now the monoclinic sulfur or beta sulfur, see here it's some property. So number 1, melting point 393 Kelvin, specific gravity is 1.98. This is a soluble in the carbon disulfide which has the formula CH2. This is a non-polar solvent prepared by the melting rhombic sulfur in a dish and the cooling. And this is the structure of the sulfur. Here alpha will be not equal to the 90 and gammas, beta and the gamma, this is the beta and the gammas will be the 90 degree. Now here the see, इसके बाद हम आते हैं, both rhombic and the monoclinic sulfur have octa atomicity. See here octa atomicity. They both have puckered or typical form. Several other modifications of the sulfur contain 6 to 20 atoms per ring have been. See here, this is the crown shaped or puckered structure of this sulfur. So you must learn this structure. Bond angle is a 107 and this is the 204 pm bond distance between the sulfur and the sulfur here. उसके बाद this question see here very important, which form of the sulfur show the paramagnetic behavior in vapor phase? Sulfur exists atomicity 2. This sulfur means diatomic sulfur due to the having the unpaired electron in the anti-burning pi orbital. So this H2 sulfur will be paramagnetic like oxygen. Now here the C, sulfur dioxide. First of all, the preparation of the sulfur dioxide. So number 1, general method. When sulfur combined with the oxygen form the sulfur dioxide. Now here the C, lab method. This is a sulfite ion. When this react to the acid, it will form the water and the sulfur dioxide. And now see the third, industrial method. When iron pyrites react to the oxygen, will form ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide. Thereafter you balance this equation. So by 3 method we can prepare to the sulfur. Number 1 is a general method, number 2 is a lab method, and number 3 is a industrial method. Industrial method. This is the sulfite ion. Sulfite ion. Now here the see property of this sulfur dioxide. It is a colorless gas. It has the pungent smell. It is highly soluble in the water. When passed through a water, forms sulfurous acid. This is the sulfurous acid. When passed through the NaOH, this will form the sodium sulfite and the water. Sodium sulfite and the water. This sodium sulfite further react to the water. Amount of the sulfur dioxide will form sodium bisulfite. This is the sodium bisulfite. Formula is a NaHSO3 and here is a aeroline. So these are the some important property of the sulfur dioxide. And you also here the see some main point related to the sulfur dioxide. When sulfur dioxide combined with the chlorine, it will form sulfuryl chloride, SO2Cl2. This is a sulfuryl chloride, and this sulfuryl chloride you can use for preparation of the haloalkane. Now see here, when sulfur dioxide react to the oxygen, will form sulfur trioxide. This is a sulfur trioxide. Thereafter balance the equation. It behave as a reducing agent. You know, sulfur dioxide formula has this, and in this compound sulfur having the +4 charge. Generally sulfur having the valence electron. If carry the +4 charge, then there is a 2 electrons remaining present in the valence shell. So this ferric ion react to the sulfur dioxide and the water, will form ferrous and the sulfate and the hydrogen ion. ठीक है ना। अब हम आपको ये बता दें कि ये रिएक्शन रिडॉक्स है। क्यों रिडॉक्स है? क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शन दिस आयरन टूक द 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, ठीक है ना, एंड दिस सल्फर लूज द 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन। तो ऑक्सीडेशन किसका हो गया? सल्फर का हो गया, बिकॉज हियर सल्फर हैविंग द +4 चार्ज, हियर हैविंग द +6 चार्ज, ठीक है ना। आयन चार्ज ऑन द आयरन रिड्यूस, +3 से क्या हुआ? +2 हुआ, ठीक है ना। दैट इज वाई दिस इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द redox reaction. Similarly, you know that KMnO4 having the violet color, dark violet color, purple color. When sulfur dioxide passed in the KMnO4, which is dissolved in the water, will form sulfate ion and the manganese ion. This is also example of the redox reaction, because in this reaction your sulfur dioxide or the sulfur oxidize into the sulfate ion, and magnate anion, permanganate anion is reduced into the manganese ion. Mn2+ is known as manganese ion. and color of the MnO4 minus disappear. So this reaction is used to test for the detection of the sulfur dioxide gas, and it has the angular structure, means bent structure. See here, this is a resonating structure of the sulfur dioxide. Resonating structure of the sulfur dioxide. It show the two resonating structure. Now here the see use of the sulfur dioxide here. So use of the sulfur dioxide here, number one, it is a usage in the refining of the petroleum and the sugar, and second, this is a usage as a disinfectant and the preservative. Sulfuric acid, sodium hydrogen sulfide and कैल्शियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड है ना, इंडस्ट्रियल केमिकल है ये, आर मैन्युफैक्चर फ्रॉम द सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, ठीक है ना. सो दिस कंपाउंड एंड दिस कंपाउंड, ठीक है ना, दीज आर द इंडस्ट्रियल कंपाउंड हम SO2 से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. लिक्विड सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इज यूज एज ए सॉल्वेंट टू डिजॉल्व अ नंबर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि SO2 भी है, SO2 आल्सो एक्ट एज ए सॉल्वेंट. सो अ नंबर ऑफ द or many organic compound or inorganic compound will be soluble in the sulfur dioxide. I hope that this video lecture will help you a lot for your examination. So please you read very carefully all this video lecture. Thank you.